guys, welcome here. So today's video is going to be about how you can start teaching your kids writing. We are back to homeschooling now, so you guys were so interested in seeing the worksheets that I'm giving to Nursery these days. But before that, I want to tell you how can you start actually teaching tracing and how you should start teaching them writing, because I do not want to confuse you guys just by giving you the worksheets. This is not how it works. You have to first start with the basics. When they are good in their basics, then you can give the writing practice worksheets. Make sure that you are starting when they are 2.5 and above, because their palm is still not fully developed. So you want to make sure that you are not forcing them. Okay, now let's get into video. So first thing first is let them do coloring as much as they want. You can use the books or coloring books, or you can take out the printouts of their choice and let them color as much as they can. It can be, you can give them paint, you can give them crayons, you can give them a sketch pen, whatever. Let them be comfortable with holding them. After giving them lots of coloring, you can go ahead and let them do scribbling in the blank paper. They can hold their pencil from top like this, in the tripod, whichever way they want. The next step is to teach them tracing. Now tracing has 4 steps. First, you have to teach them how to make standing line, slipping line, slanting line and curves. So for this, you can give them the dash or the dots and let them join. You can orally tell them that which way they have to go, or you can make some this kind of pattern. You can make the arrows and let them either trace it with the finger, or they can use their crayons or something. I highly recommend you to use the triangle crayon pencils, because it is very easy to hold for them, and it brings the grip and it brings the right way to hold the pencil. Actually, we have tried so many things, but trust me, there is nothing better than the triangle crayon pencil or chalk. You can give them chalk if you have the green board. When you're teaching them tracing, make sure that they are very good in making the lines and the curves. They should not make the mistake of doing it halfway. I mean, in the starting they will make the half curves, but encourage them to complete the whole line and the whole curve. Once they have mastered this, then we can go ahead and give them the worksheets properly for writing the alphabet and the numbers and all that stuff. Now to teach them tracing properly, you can give them 2 type of worksheets. One will be educational, one will be just for fun. So in the fun way, you can give them raindrops to trace, the slanting lines, the standing lines in the form of rain. You can make a pattern like butterfly has to go to the flower or to the plant, so you can make a wave, you can make mountains, different type of zigzag lines. You can give them face. You can get tons and tons of ideas on Google Image. You will see so many different patterns to teach them slanting, standing lines and curves and all. And I also recommend, if you do not have much patience to write them or give them the worksheet every day, you can just download few and take the printout and give them one at a time. So yeah, this will be a easy idea if you're a busy person. When it comes to the educational one, you can give them match the followings of the numbers. You can do the same with the alphabet. You can do the same with the emojis. You can do it with the animals and countings. You can give so many match the followings, different type of, to make teach them making slanting lines, standing line, sleeping line. You can also give them join the ABCs or the numbers, so they'll learn how to make the curve or the zigzag line, and this way they will also learn about what comes after what. Then again, good idea is the copy me. So for this, you can give them any kind of a shape, very small, very easy one, in which you are using a very basic shape, so that they can learn about the shape, or they can learn about tracing the particular object. Now the notebook here is very small to tell you, but if you are starting out, I would recommend you to give them a big numbers, I mean the big letters and the big objects, so that it's easy for them to trace, because otherwise, their hands are small, they are very small, they are very new to tracing, it will be hard. But now my daughter is 3.5, so I can give her this small letters and numbers to trace. I really hope that I gave you some inspiration and some ideas how to start teaching your kids writing and tracing, because it's very easy, but sometimes we just do not get the proper way where to start, and then it becomes more difficult. In future, I'll be sharing more ideas for 2 to 3-year-old kids, 3 to 4-year-old kids, and some educational more stuff. So stay tuned, because I'll be coming with lots and lots of worksheet. So yeah, more homeschooling videos are coming on your way too. Thank you so much for always doing the polls and votes and always commenting on my community page. You guys are amazing. I had never thought like the moms will come out to reach out the other moms and help out in the community page. If you'll go on over there, you will see tons of mamas over there coming out with their own story and helping each other out. So make sure you are checking out that as well. And if you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to parenting and lifestyle and mostly healthy living. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like and write me in the comment section which video you want to see, what kind of videos more you are expecting in the future as well. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one.